Most people assume any RV can handle full-time living. That's one of the most expensive mistakes a first-time buyer can make. Living in a fifth-wheel full-time places demands on build quality, insulation, storage, tank capacity, and daily comfort that weekend camping never reveals. A trailer that feels perfect for a long weekend can feel cramped and frustrating after 3 months of daily use. Today, I'm counting down 5 fifth wheels built for full-time living. Every one earned its place based on how it performs when it's your home, not just your vacation. This list isn't based on who spends the most on advertising. It's based on reputation, owner experience, construction quality, and long-term livability. And the number one pick is one that many experienced full-time RV owners consider the benchmark for luxury fifth wheels. Welcome back to Roadside Randy, where I help everyday Americans make smarter decisions about RVs, travel trailers, trucks, and life on the road. What makes a fifth wheel good for full-time living? Before we jump into the list, here's something worth understanding. A great weekend camper isn't always a great full-time home. When I evaluate fifth wheels for full-time living, I'm looking at insulation, storage, tank sizes, construction quality, serviceability, and how comfortable they'll still feel after 6 months, not just after a weekend trip. I'm also looking at the manufacturer's reputation for standing behind their product, because when your RV is your home, you can't afford to wait months for a warranty repair. And one more thing before we get into this. Even the best-built fifth wheel still requires regular maintenance. Roof inspections, sealant checks, wheel bearings, and tire care all matter if you want it to last for years. The trailers on this list are built better than most, but they're not maintenance-free. No fifth wheel is. Let's get started. Number 5. The Grand Design Reflection 150 Series. Grand Design RV was founded in 2012 and built its reputation quickly by delivering better construction quality than buyers expected at their price point. Winnebago Industries acquired them in 2016, giving them the parts network and service infrastructure of a larger company, while letting them keep their identity. The Reflection 150 series was designed specifically for half-ton truck owners, which matters because most quality fifth wheels for full-time living require a 3/4-ton or larger truck. If you already own a half-ton and don't want to replace it, this opens the door to full-time living without a tow vehicle upgrade. That said, always verify your specific truck's payload and tow ratings against the loaded weight of the floor plan you're considering. The walls and roof are built to stay rigid over years of travel, which reduces the risk of delamination and the moisture problems that follow from it. The cabinetry uses solid wood framing rather than stapled particle board, which means the doors stay square and the shelves hold their shape after years of road vibration. The kitchen has genuine counter space, a large refrigerator, and overhead cabinets that a full-time traveler can actually use. The bathroom is properly sized. The bedroom is genuinely comfortable. For full-time living, the tank capacity is larger than most comparable trailers, washer and dryer prep is available on select floor plans, and the dealer and warranty network is one of the strongest in the industry. When your fifth wheel is your home, knowing that service is accessible and responsive matters. Owners often describe the Reflection as the fifth wheel that made them realize full-time living was actually possible at their budget. It's not the most luxurious option on this list, but it sets up and lives well without constant issues. Pricing for new 2026 Reflection 150 series models typically runs between $55,000 and $75,000. Used examples from recent years can often be found in the $40,000 to $58,000 range. The strengths are the half-ton compatibility, Grand Design's strong warranty and dealer network, solid construction quality for the price, and a residential feeling interior that holds up to daily use. The honest drawbacks are that the 150 series is not in the same construction tier as the trailers further up this list, and it sits at the upper edge of half-ton towing capacity on most floor plans. This fifth wheel is best for retirees and couples who are new to full-time living, who own a half-ton truck, and who want a well-built production trailer backed by strong manufacturer support. That's an excellent starting point for many buyers. But the next fifth wheel improves on it in a few important ways. Before we move on, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. It helps this channel reach more people trying to make smarter decisions about full-time RV living. Number 4. The Alliance Paradigm. Alliance RV was founded in 2019 by RV industry veterans who left established manufacturers specifically to build something better. That's not a marketing story. It means the people behind the paradigm had spent careers seeing what the industry was getting wrong, and they designed this trailer to fix those things. The Paradigm is Alliance's flagship fifth wheel, aimed squarely at full-time living. The walls are built to stay solid and resist flex over thousands of miles of towing. The windows are dual-pane throughout, which does two things that matter for daily living. It keeps the interior quieter, and it reduces the condensation that shows up on single-pane windows when temperatures change. If you've ever wiped down your trailer windows every morning because they're dripping, you understand why this matters. Alliance includes automatic 4-point leveling as standard equipment rather than an upgrade. For full-timers who set up and break down frequently, that means pushing a button instead of spending 20 minutes with a level and a set of blocks every time you arrive somewhere new. After a year of doing that at dozens of different sites, you'll consider it one of the best decisions the manufacturer made. Inside, the Paradigm is one of the better designed residential interiors at this price range. Owners frequently mention that the kitchen actually functions for cooking real meals, which sounds like a low bar until you've used a poorly designed RV kitchen for 6 months. Storage is genuinely generous. The bedroom is properly private and equipped with real wardrobe space. The living area brings in good natural light through large windows. Towing requires a properly equipped 3/4-ton or 1-ton truck, depending on the floor plan. This is a meaningful step up from the Reflection, and something to plan for before you commit. Pricing for new 2026 Paradigm models typically runs between $80,000 and $110,000. Used examples from the past few years can be found in the $60,000 to $85,000 range. The strengths are the standard automatic leveling, dual-pane windows throughout, residential interior quality, and excellent storage. The honest drawbacks are that Alliance is a newer company with a shorter track record, and their dealer network is still expanding compared to the largest production brands. This fifth wheel is best for retired couples and full-time travelers who want a premium production trailer and are comfortable with a manufacturer that's earned a strong early reputation quickly. Now we're into the trailers that experienced full-timers tend to get genuinely about. Number 3. The Brinkley Model Z. Brinkley RV was also founded by RV industry veterans, and like Alliance, they set out to address the construction quality issues that have frustrated full-time buyers for years. The Model Z is their flagship fifth wheel, and it's gotten serious attention from experienced buyers since its introduction. The construction on the Model Z uses a heavy-gauge steel frame designed to handle the cumulative stress of long-term full-time use, rather than just occasional trips. The roof is one-piece fiberglass rather than a sectional design with multiple seams, which reduces the number of places water can eventually find its way in. That's a decision that doesn't show up in a brochure photograph, but shows up in how the trailer performs 5 years into daily ownership. Brinkley has also built the electrical system with solar expansion and lithium battery compatibility as a primary consideration rather than as an afterthought. For full-timers who want to spend time off-grid or in locations without full hookups, having that infrastructure done properly from the factory is significantly better than retrofitting it later. The holding tanks are sized for extended stays, not weekend use. Owners who have used other production fifth wheels before buying a Brinkley often say that what surprised them most was how many details were right out of the box. Less troubleshooting, less calling the manufacturer about things that should have worked. That kind of ownership experience compounds over time. Towing the Model Z requires a properly equipped 3/4-ton or 1-ton truck. Plan accordingly. Pricing for new 2026 Brinkley Model Z fifth wheels typically runs between $90,000 and $130,000. The strengths are the one-piece fiberglass roof, thoughtful electrical infrastructure, proper holding tank capacity, and construction quality that competes above its price. The honest drawbacks are that Brinkley is newer with a still developing track record, and their dealer network is not yet as comprehensive as more established manufacturers. This fifth wheel is best for retired couples and full-time travelers who want better construction quality than the production market typically delivers at this price point. I'm curious, if you were living in a fifth wheel full-time, which one of these would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. And if you're enjoying this countdown so far, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe. The next fifth wheel has been building its reputation for years and is built specifically for people who plan to live in it, not just visit. Number 2. The DRV Mobile Suites. DRV Luxury Suites, previously known as DRV Mobile Suites, is based in Middlebury, Indiana, and has been building fifth wheels specifically for full-time living for many years. The important distinction with DRV is that they don't build weekend campers and then market them to full-timers. They build residential fifth wheels from the ground up, and the entire product reflects that focus. The insulation on a DRV Mobile Suites fifth wheel is in a different category from most production competitors. The walls, floor, and ceiling are insulated to ratings that translate to more comfortable living in temperature extremes, lower heating and cooling costs, less outside noise, and less condensation. For someone spending January in Montana or July in Texas, those aren't specifications. They're daily quality of life. Automatic 4-point leveling is standard. The plumbing is insulated and protected for 4-season use. The holding tanks are sized for extended living rather than weekend use. The washer and dryer are standard, not an add-on. That last detail alone tells you something meaningful about who this trailer was designed for. Inside, owners consistently describe DRV as the closest thing to a small residential apartment available in a towable fifth wheel. The kitchen has residential-grade appliances, genuine counter space, and deep cabinets with soft close hardware. The bathroom is the detail most DRV owners mention first: a full-size shower, a real vanity, and a layout that doesn't require contorting yourself to use it. After years of compromising on RV bathrooms, owners say the DRV bathroom is what finally made them stop thinking of their trailer as camping equipment. Towing a DRV Mobile Suites fifth wheel requires a properly equipped 1-ton truck. These are substantial trailers, and attempting to tow them with an underpowered vehicle is both a mechanical and safety issue. Pricing for new 2026 DRV Mobile Suites fifth wheels typically runs between $120,000 and $175,000. Used examples can sometimes be found in the $85,000 to $130,000 range, though well-maintained examples tend to sell quickly. The strengths are the full-time residential construction philosophy, outstanding insulation, standard washer and dryer, proper tank capacity, automatic leveling, and an interior that longtime full-timers consistently call the most livable in the production market. The honest drawbacks are the price, the 1-ton truck requirement, and a dealer network that is smaller than the largest production brands. This fifth wheel is best for serious full-time travelers and retirees who are committed to long-term living on the road and want a fifth wheel built to residential standards rather than recreational ones. The DRV is genuinely excellent, but the fifth wheel we're about to discuss operates at a level that even DRV owners sometimes look at and wonder what might have been. Number 1. The new Horizons Majestic. If you've been watching until now, this is the one I promised at the beginning. It isn't the biggest seller. You probably won't find one sitting on your local dealer's lot. But ask experienced full-time RV owners what they'd buy if money wasn't the deciding factor. And one name comes up again and again. New Horizons RV is based in Junction City, Kansas, and they've been building semi-custom fifth wheels since 1993. The Majestic is their flagship model, and describing it simply as a fifth wheel misses something important. It's a semi-custom residential fifth wheel built to a standard that most production manufacturers don't operate at, including the very good ones we've already discussed. Every Majestic is built to the buyer's specifications within the available framework. The layout, finishes, appliances, and systems are configured for how the specific buyer plans to live in it. That's not a standard production process. It's closer to ordering a custom home. The frame is fully welded aluminum, not aluminum framed with steel elsewhere, but an all-aluminum structure that's lighter than steel at equivalent strength, doesn't rust, and doesn't fatigue the same way over decades of road use. The sidewalls are built thick enough that the trailer manages temperature the way a building should, not the way a camper is expected to. The roof is seamless fiberglass. The floor is moisture-resistant composite. Everything in the construction reflects a manufacturer that expects these trailers to outlast their owners. Many of them do. The first thing most people notice when they step inside a New Horizons Majestic is the silence. The insulation and construction quality keep outside noise out in a way that production trailers simply don't match. The second thing they notice is the solid feel of everything. Cabinets that don't rattle, drawers that close cleanly, hardware that operates the way quality hardware should. Owners who've come from production fifth wheels, including well-built ones, describe it as the difference between being in a manufactured space and being in a well-built home. The kitchen is genuinely residential. Residential-grade appliances, real counter space, cabinetry built with real materials. The bedroom is properly private, properly sized, and equipped with storage that works for someone who lives there year-round. The bathroom is full-featured and built with materials that hold up to daily use rather than degrading within a few years. New Horizons owners who've had their Majestic for 5 years say the same things. The cabinets still look the same. The systems still operate the same. The insulation still performs the same. And when they walk into it after a long day on the road, it still feels the way it did on day one. That's not marketing. That's what people who've done it tell you to expect. The ordering process is different from buying a production trailer. You work directly with New Horizons, and lead times can run several months. This is not a Saturday afternoon dealership purchase. It's something you plan for, configure carefully, and wait for. Towing requires a properly equipped 1-ton truck. Pricing for a new 2026 New Horizons Majestic typically runs between $175,000 and $250,000 or more, depending on configuration. The owners who've made that investment consistently say the same thing. Maintenance costs are lower because things are built correctly from the start. And when they eventually sell, which many never do, the resale values reflect what experienced buyers know they're looking at. This fifth wheel is best for serious full-time RV owners who plan to spend years or decades living in their trailer and want the closest thing available to a custom residential home on wheels. Final thoughts. Choose the Grand Design Reflection 150 series if you're starting out, own a half-ton truck, and want a well-built production trailer with excellent manufacturer support. Choose the Alliance Paradigm if you want standard automatic leveling and a residential interior at a competitive price from a manufacturer that's built its reputation on getting things right. Choose the Brinkley Model Z if construction quality and thoughtful engineering matter to you, and you're willing to invest slightly more for it. Choose the DRV Mobile Suites if you're committed to full-time living and want a production trailer built specifically for that purpose. And choose the New Horizons Majestic if you want the best, are willing to wait for it, and understand that the price represents a fundamentally different approach to what a fifth wheel can be. A great full-time fifth wheel isn't the one with the most features in the brochure. It's the one that's still comfortable, dependable, and genuinely livable after years of daily use. The trailers that deliver that experience are the ones built by manufacturers who understood what full-time living actually demands before they started designing them. If money weren't the deciding factor, which one of these would you park in for the next 5 years, and why? Drop that in the comments, and your experience helps everyone else on this channel facing the same decision. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'm Roadside Randy, helping everyday Americans make smarter decisions about fifth wheels, travel trailers, and life on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.